Who need to report UK rental property income to HMRC? In the UK, rental income is subject to tax, but there is a property allowance that provide some relief. The first £1,000 of income from property rental is tax-free, known as property allowance. This means you don't need to report rental income under £1,000. However, if your rental income is exceed £1,000, but it is below or equal to £2,500 per year, you must contact HMRC to report it. This allows HMRC to assess whether any tax is due. For income above £2,500 a year, the reporting requirements become stricter. If rental income is more than £2,500, after allowable expenses, or more than £10,000 before allowable expenses, you are required to complete self-assessment tax return. Allowable expenses, which can include costs like repairs, insurance, and agent fee, help reduce your taxable income. In cases where rental income exceeds this threshold, failing to report it accurately could lead to penalties. It is essential to keep detailed record of income and expenses to ensure compliance with HMRC regulation and avoid any tax issues. Allowable expenses can include things like maintenance cost and repairs, insurance, letting agent fees, which reduce your taxable income. We have uploaded more than 1,000 videos in our YouTube channel, subject related to UK startup, business and tax.